So hi guys from YouTube, ako pala si Enrique B. Like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Yes, let's go. So ngayon guys, nandito ako sa baba. And um, nothing much to do. So yan, i-vlog natin yung ilaw natin na napakalakas. Ayan. So ayan, nasa pinakamadilim tayo. So ito guys yung binili ko sa online. Sa Shopee, pati mayroon tripod. At meron ding um, mount. At meron din tayong binili sa Shopee ulit ng mic. So, here we go. Kung gaano kalayo yung natin ilaw. So, let's go. So, yan. So, yan guys ha. So, yan guys. Puput natin dito sa table, right? So, yan. Ayan. So, lalayo tayo. As fortunately, ayan, yung mic natin medyo malayo na. So, yan guys, yung ilaw natin kung gaano tayo kalayo at pati din yung mic na natin. So, yan. Hello po sa inyo. Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Ayan. So, gabi ah. Ayan. So, ano ba? Maganda ba or hindi? Diyos ko Lord, kakabilin. So, ngayon guys, may different modes ito. Ay, um, itong ating ilaw. So, ito na guys. Ha. Sorry guys kung mababo. Right? So, ito naman yung ilaw natin kanina. So, yan. Yan yung pinaka-brighter niya. Pinaka-brighter. Medyo nasisilaw ko. And yung warm, as you can see right now. And yes, this is fully maximum um light. So if you're going to dark, and as you can see, it's our kitchen is so dark. Look at me. Look at all the as you can see this our kitchen is so dark, right? Now look at this. It's so bright in the camera as well. Oh, look at this, guys. It's so dark, right? So if I turn this on, here we go. It's so bright, and my body is so bright. So I think this is gonna be perfect for you all if you're going to blog area. If you want to go to BGC or like that, have yes, of course you can do that. There, right? Or if you go to the BGC with no light, like it's good. It's just like um how you call this, a vlogging setup. This one is so, yeah, it's so nice to see. So um I'm very happy, and I'm interested in this one. So I think I will compare to this gun tripod versus the mic itself that people try to recommend in Shopee and TikTok. So I think maybe I will make a video on that. So yes, and as you can see, yes, as you can see this, I have a mirror right here. Yeah, mirror, and yeah. So yun lang po masasabi ko guys. 10 out of 10 for me. And yeah, I hope and I wish na sana po yung ating followers sa YouTube that sana po ma-interest sa aking gagawin. And yeah, let's go. Thank you guys very much.